The Court of Appeal has reversed the order of the tribunal on INEC to conduct supplementary election in 22 polling units in 4 local government areas of Kaduna State. Maria Mohammed tells us more.
The Court of Appeal in Abuja has affirmed the election of Uba Sani as the duly elected governor of Kaduna State, held on Saturday, March 18, 2023. The court dismissed an appeal brought before it by the governorship candidate of the People's Democratic Party, Isa Ashiru, challenging the election of All Progressive Congress gubernatorial candidate Uba Sani. The judgment was delivered by a 3-man panel. The Independent National Electoral Commission, INEC, had declared Uba Sani as the winner of the March 18, 2023 governorship elections in Kaduna State. But the gubernatorial candidate for the People's Democratic Party, Isa Ashiru, had approached the tribunal to challenge the results. PDP alleged that Uba Sani was not duly elected by a majority of valid votes cast in the elections, adding that election was invalid due to corrupt practices and non-compliance with provisions of Electoral Act 2022. But the tribunal, in 2-1 split judgment by Justice Victor Oviawe, delivered on September 28, 2023, dismissed the petition on technical grounds and upheld Uba Sani's election victory, due to the fact that the PDP candidate did not file the pre-hearing application within the time prescribed by law. At the end of the judgment, the respondents and supporters of APC gubernatorial candidate explained that they are excited and satisfied with the outcome of the judgment.
The government has restated the position of the law as far as election petitions are concerned, and I have no doubt that it will go a long way to enrich the jurisprudence of election petitions in Nigeria.
I'm calling on both the petitioners and members of the opposition party to see reason behind this judgment and join hands with Governor Senator Uba Sani and Jack Kaduna State to a greater height.
The vote that we got has been already defended. So my own call for them to come. All of us want to rule Kaduna State to move people forward. So they should come so that we can all move the people forward.
Maria Mohammed, TVC News, Abuja.
Back here in the south, in Ogun State, for Ogun State, I should say, the court in a split decision affirmed the re-election of Dapo Abiodun of the All Progressives Congress in the March 18 governorship election. The majority judgment delivered by Justice Joseph Ikeg dismissed the appeal filed by the People's Democratic Party's candidate, Ladi Adebutu, but the minority judgment delivered by Justice Jane Yang allowed the appeal and ordered the Independent National Electoral Commission to conduct a fresh election within 90 days. At the lower courts, Justice Hamidu Kumaza had, on September the 30th, dismissed the petition filed by the PDP as well as Mr. Adebutu for lacking in merit. The tribunal had held at the time that the petitioners failed to prove allegations of overvoting, rigging, and non-compliance at the election.
Unfortunately, distractors are taking us through the court process. But once again, the court has upheld the victory, and we know that this victory is ours. Even if they go to the Supreme Court, we are confident that the Supreme Court too will rule in our favor, so that we can continue to deliver on good governance to the people of Ogun State and give them what they have asked for.
You know, that the petition lacks merit. The petition is unmeritorious on many grounds. You know, however, the learned justice for the third dissenting judgment was to the effect that she disagreed with, you know, the two. I mean, that's the beauty, you know, of our judicial system.